What's up, online shoppers? If you ever wish that you had a tiny camera in your house spying on your house when you are not home, well, this is the Blink Mini Pan Tilt Camera, and it is absolutely awesome. Whether you were spying on your pets, your kids while you were out of town, or your nosy roommate, this is a really great option to put in security to check up on the inside of your house when you are not home. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Inside you get manual and you get the camera and the base right here. So let's take it out and check it out. Compact plug-in camera that you can use inside. It has a full pan and tilt mount, which means that this little mount here is motorized and it can move and look around and see what's going on. Inside here, you get your plug power. You get the charging cable so that you don't have to find one. And you also get your little Blink Mini camera. And there you go. First of all, absolutely take off plastic covering that is around the entirety of the camera, keeping it from being scratched or anything else like that. It's got a nice little lens right there. Actually, that's upside down right there. And this is the mounting place right here. Here is our charging cable. So all you have to do is attach the charging cable to the plug, and they give you a pretty nice long cord. I also have used these connected to a power bank so that you don't have to worry about being somewhere near an outlet, because you can definitely plug this into a power bank and it gives you a little bit more flexibility as far as where you're going to put this, especially if you want to put it up high and you don't want to have a bunch of cords hanging around. So just plug this in here at the back, and the cool thing about it is it's directional, so you always know you get plugged in the right way because it won't fit any other way, like that. And here is your camera. Now the power connector is here, so you just have to plug that in. Again, it's directional, pretty easy to do, like that. And then this guy clips right on like that. And now our camera is fully ready to operate. No fuss, no muss. What do you actually get in the box? This is a really cool compact indoor camera. It has a motorized pan and tilt, so you can get a lot of versatility in what kind of a view you're getting of the area you have set up. It gives you 360-degree coverage right from your phone or your Alexa device. So if you are on your vacation and there's movement in your house, you can actually check in through the Blink app and see what is going on inside your house. The other thing that's pretty cool is this camera here is 1080p HD, which is crisp and sharp and very easy to see what exactly is going on in your house. I also love that the camera has day and night vision, so whether the lights are on in the house or the lights are off in the house, you definitely can still see what's going on. The other thing that's really cool is you do get real-time motion alerts sent to the Blink app, so you can check on any irregular movements that are in your house. For example, you can actually watch your cat go from the couch to the kitchen, making sure that she's eating, that she's not walking on your counters, and all the rest of that stuff. At the top here is a little microphone, which means you get two-way audio with this, and that's pretty cool. If you want to tell your kitty that you think she's a good girl, you can actually go on and do it. And the funniest thing is when you see their reaction and they're like looking around for your voice, it's pretty cute. This has super fast setup as far as how it works. You just connect it with a QR code to the Blink app and it will automatically sync right inside the app on your phone. As well, I will say that setup time, less than 5 minutes. You saw me, I put the camera on the base, plugged the base into an outlet and just set it up. Now, as far as the subscription, here's a frequently asked question. Can you get access to the storage locally? Yes, actually you can store it locally if you have Sync Model 2 and USB, which is something that's a separate purchase. Otherwise, the cloud plan, which is a 30-day trial plus a nominal fee per month, gives you 90-minute continuous live stream viewing inside your house. You can also set it up another way, just to go to a USB, which is similar to the Sync. That requires a little bit of fussing and mussing, but it is worthwhile, and that's what I've done at my house. Now, the newer Blink 2 has the added person detection also, but otherwise, as far as subscription goes, you don't actually need the subscription. That is definitely a bonus and a plus, especially if you're traveling out of town and you want that peace of mind. But as far as, you know, you can go in through the app, look and see what's going on, no matter where you are in the world, and that is a pretty awesome feature. You definitely definitely have a lot of real life usages. You can look and see what's going on in your house daylight or nighttime using the infrared night vision on the camera. The image is going to stay clear. You can definitely see what's going on even if it's pretty dark in your house. The app is smooth. You can see a live video load in under 3 seconds. So if something, a motion alert in your house and you want to log into live view, it's not going to take you a long time. You can just go in, check it out, and then have peace of mind. Let's talk about this. Pros are you have full panning coverage. There's no more blind spots because this little thing is going to go 360 degrees and it can go all the way back like this and all the way down like this. So whether something's happening directly below the camera or if it's happening off in a corner or even it's up on the roof if you want to check and see if things are leaking, you've got that option. Another pro is the really clear, high quality HD video live stream that you get. And it has pretty decent night vision too, which is a pretty awesome thing. So you can check out what's going on all the time. Two-way talk is another super fantastic plus because you can actually talk to whoever is in your house. So whether you're checking up on your little furball or you are checking up on your teenage son who might have a few too many people in the house, you can actually correspond through the microphone that's built right in and you can look and see what's going on in your house. This is Alexa ready and it's a pretty easy setup. So as far as having integration with all the different things that you use in your house, if you are an Alexa household, this is going to work really well with Alexa. Now, as far as cons, you are going to need a subscription to get the best features, but you can survive quite comfortably without the subscription. The other con is that the sync model is not included with the purchase of any of the blinks, really. You have to purchase it as an add-on. Now, there are other ways that you can store your information, all your clips, but you're going to have to research that one. Now, as far as whether or not you're going to want this Pan Mini, I will tell you this. If you want a cute, compact camera that can track what's going on in your house, this is definitely one to consider. You can chat with your pets remotely. You can remind your teenage son to clean up the dishes off the counter when you are away. And it is a real gem to have in your home security / peace of mind entourage. Whether you go with a cloud plan or purchase a sync model as an add-on to have the storage, this is definitely something that I am looking forward to setting up in my house. I think this is a great little added bonus and I'm looking forward to the increased reporting that I will have in my house from the Blink Mini Pan and Tilt camera. Definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.